The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation, operational, tactical and army aviation. Missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have hit 76 Ukrainian artillery units at their firing positions, enemy's manpower and military equipment in 148 areas during the day. One Ukrainian OSA AKM anti-aircraft missile system was engaged close to Pervomayskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. Air defense forces shot down 12 HIMARS MLRS shells and one HARM anti-radiation missile during the day. In addition, 16 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles were destroyed in the areas of Novovodinoye, Svatovo, Novoalexandrovka, Novokrasnyanka of Lugansk People's Republic, Vladimirovka, Yegorovka of Donetsk People's Republic, Vasilievka of Zaporozhye region, Novaya as well as Konstantinovka in Kherson region. In total, 400 airplanes, 220 helicopters, 3,401 unmanned aerial vehicles, 412 air defense missile systems, 8,280 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,055 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,333 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,904 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!